Hello, my name's Ryan, this is Molly. Today we're going to be doing some more special effects makeup. Last time Molly did a good beginner's look, cut to the face. What are you going to be doing for us today, Molly?
So I'm going to be doing a more advanced look using third-degree burns as on half his face.
Gross. So what do we need to do first?
Glue down your eyebrows.
Lovely, let's get gluing.
So I'm going to be gluing down his eyebrows using just a normal glue stick. But first I'm going to be combing his eyebrows up. And this will make a clear base.
So this is absolutely a first for me. Nobody has ever Pritt sticked my eyebrow before.
Your eyebrow comes up here.
Yeah, I was going to say that this is sort of going to expose the fact that I have some serious caterpillar action going on.
Mm-hmm.
Did you just trim my eyebrow? Is that just part of the service?
I'll just be using a normal comb for your eyebrows and just brushing the glue up. And you do this until all your eyebrows are solid.
So you were saying that you got into this because you and your dad like horror films.
Mm-hmm.
What is your current favourite?
I'll probably say I do like Saw.
Saw.
Yeah, but then again I like The Shining, Halloween. And I'll just be using a wet wipe to take off the glue that isn't on the eyebrow.
When you said solid, you mean solid?
It will just stack up, so it's not like poking out. I'm just trying to block most of your eyebrows so it doesn't get stuck and be painful.
That's very kind of you, thank you.
So, and I'm going to be using some loose powder to press onto his eyebrows.
So for this look, there's more equipment necessary. Where do you buy your special effects makeup from?
There is multiple websites to get different SFX makeup, but I tend to go to the Red Carpet SFX, I think it's called. You can get prosthetics to like make your own. You can get multiple paints, bloods. You can get like
multiple blood. But it's easy to, with the internet, it's easy to find all the kit that you need.
Yeah. So now I'm going to be using some liquid latex to stick an eye patch down to your eye. And I apply this with a normal brush. And you put at least 3 layers of latex to then make it more tacky.
So you were telling us last time that you have only been doing this about 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
What are your future makeup-ing plans?
So I have took a course in college, work in productions for films or like short films on like YouTube, just so I can get somewhat of a career out of it, because that's what I want to do. Well, let's just go for that. If it falls off,
Feels pretty stuck.
let's just hope it is. Now I'm going to be using some third-degree silicone modelling compound, and this is what you have to be very precise with this. You can't mix A and B together until the end with the same spatula either.
Why?
Otherwise it will ruin B and you can't use it anymore. So I'm going to be using a palette to put the A and B mixture together. So you have to put an equal amount of each onto the palette. I'm going to put A onto the palette and then wipe off A off the spatula, and then I'm going to be getting B and doing the same, but don't put it together, you have to put it separate. And then wipe that bit off again. After that, you'll mix them together thoroughly to make it a smooth paste.
Where do you get inspiration for your looks from?
I either watch YouTube videos of like scenes from films, or I just make them up in my head.
What's your favourite one that you've done so far?
I would say it's like a zombie look. I use coffee and latex to make the burns. So when it's all mixed well, I apply it all on the face that you want it to be, but you have to move your wrist and the spatula around to make it into different textures.
So what part of the sort of the burn is this simulating?
This could be any like sort of burn, like if you're in a fire, the wax is kind of burning, so it looks like your skin's melting. You just scrape through the gel with the spatula.
So for people who want to try this themselves, Molly, how much roughly would it cost to get what you need to sort of get going, do you think?
I reckon if you're at the beginning of doing this, don't waste your money on things that you don't know what to use. Take your time with them and just get products like eyeshadow, face paints. I normally get Snazaroo face paints as it's like easier to buy and that is really good. And then if you're at the stage where you want to get more methods of what to do, the price range would be near 200, I reckon, to get a full face of a look. You can still get like some products that are cheap, but it don't have to be all like expensive for it again.
But so you can do a lot with not a lot of money, essentially. Okay. And now that we're dry, what's next?
I'm going to be using the Skin Illustrator to make the burn more of your skin colour. And by this I'm going to be using the 99% alcohol to make it pigmented. I'm going to be applying it with a sponge.
And is that because of the type of paint?
Yeah.
Is it paint?
Yeah. I reckon around the eye I'm going to have to like make it brown so you don't see the ring of it.
So for anybody that wants to get started the way that you did, what would be your best advice?
Take your time with everything. If you don't get it right, just keep practicing because you have time for everything. For me, it took me not long, but time to figure out how to do it and how to apply it, and how to create the look, and just you do your own technique if nothing else works.
That feels different. What are you doing now?
I'm just using a brush with the same paints and adding the paint into the creases where I can't get.
Yeah, it seems like in the most part, special effects makeup is pretty much a problem-solving exercise. So no matter how good you get at it, you're just going to be making stuff up as you go along anyway.
Now I'm going to be using the Brutal Tooth face paint to create some blisters with using the yellow tone in this.
Nice. So I'm really going to reveal my sort of lack of knowledge of normal makeup application, if you like. Are a lot of the skills transferable? Just doing general face makeup. Obviously you don't apply like burns stuff, but like, because obviously you're brushing and sponging and that sort of thing.
I would say it's somewhat related to like normal makeup because when you put foundation on you do use a sponge sometimes. Well, I do at least. And with the brushes you can apply it with like the eyeshadow and how you would with the eyeshadow. So yeah, I reckon.
The extent of my own makeup application, where I tried to put eyeliner on once and stabbed myself in the eye, then went, no, this isn't for me. That's a true story.
Now I'm going to be using burn gel. It's like blood, fake blood, but it kind of turns a bit orange and it's more gooey and has a bit more texture in it, so it looks more burn juice.
The last thing. So what are we doing?
Adding pus to make it look like it's oozing.
Delicious.
Yep. I'm just going to be using a spatula to apply it.
Grim.
And you don't want to be precise with this, you just want to make it look like it's dripping. You're done.
Amazing. Wonderful. Well, thank you, Molly. We'll be bringing you more talented young people sharing their skills in the near future, so please make sure to pop back for that. But for now, I need to go check this out.